Affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. Which one is better in 2025? Which one makes more money? And which one should you start as a beginner? In this video, we'll break it all down in a way that's simple and easy to understand. Let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is like being a middleman between a company and a buyer. You promote a product, usually using a unique affiliate link that tracks your referrals. If someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, a percentage of the sale. For example, let's say you're promoting a software that costs $100. If the company offers a 30% commission rate, you earn $30 every time someone buys through your link. You don't have to create the product, handle payments, or deal with customer service. You don't ship anything either. Your only job is to bring in traffic and encourage people to buy the product or service. People do affiliate marketing through platforms like YouTube, blogging, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and even email newsletters. You can review products, create tutorials, or write helpful articles with affiliate links inside. The better your content, the more people trust your recommendations. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, and Share a Sale. You can find products in nearly every niche, from tech and fitness to fashion and online courses. Affiliate marketing is especially appealing to beginners because of its low startup cost, flexibility, and potential to earn passive income over time. Once your content is online and gets traffic, it can keep generating commissions even while you sleep. What is dropshipping? Now let's talk about dropshipping. With dropshipping, you run your own online store. But unlike traditional retail, you don't keep any inventory yourself. Instead, you list products from a third-party supplier on your website. When a customer places an order, you forward the order to the supplier, and they ship the product directly to the customer's address. This means you never touch the product or worry about storage. You make money from the price difference. For example, if a supplier charges you $10 for a phone case and you sell it for $30 on your website, you make a $20 profit before subtracting ad costs, transaction fees, and any other expenses. Dropshipping is a popular business model because it's relatively easy to start. You don't need a warehouse or upfront bulk inventory. You just need a store, a payment processor, and a good supplier. Common platforms used to build dropshipping stores include Shopify, WooCommerce on WordPress, and Wix. These platforms offer user-friendly templates and plugins to help manage your store, even if you're not tech-savvy. Suppliers are often found through websites like AliExpress, Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, Spocket, or DSers. Many sellers start by targeting trending products such as gadgets, pet items, fashion accessories, or home decor. Earning potential. So now, the big question. Which one makes more money in 2025? The truth is, both can be very profitable, but they work differently. Affiliate marketing is great if you want to build long-term passive income. Once your content is online and ranking, like a blog or YouTube video, it can bring in commissions for months or even years. Some affiliate marketers earn $500 to $5,000 per month. Top affiliates? Over $50,000 per month. Dropshipping, on the other hand, can scale faster, but it also has higher risks. With the right products and ads, you can hit $10,000 to $100,000 in revenue quickly. But profit margins are lower, usually around 10% to 30%, and you'll spend a lot on Facebook or TikTok ads. So while dropshipping might bring in more sales, affiliate marketing often results in higher profits with less stress. Positives and contrasts. Let's break it down even further. Affiliate marketing. Positives: low startup cost, no inventory or shipping, no customer service, works well with content creation. Contrasts: takes time to build an audience. You don't control the product or pricing. Income depends on platform algorithms, YouTube, Google. Dropshipping. Positives: full control over your store and prices. Easier to build a brand. Can scale quickly with ads. Contrasts: requires more money upfront for testing ads. You handle refunds, complaints, and delays. Shipping can be slow if suppliers are overseas. Which one is right for you? Here's how to decide. Choose affiliate marketing if you enjoy creating content, whether it's making YouTube videos, writing blog posts, or sharing helpful tips on social media. You're looking for a low-risk business model with minimal upfront investment. You're patient and willing to build an audience over time through content marketing and SEO. You want to earn passive income, meaning once your content is live and generating traffic, it can bring in commissions even while you sleep. You don't want to deal with customer complaints, shipping problems, or handling returns. Choose dropshipping if you want to own a brand and build a full online store under your control. You enjoy experimenting with product research, pricing strategies, and advertising campaigns. You're okay with handling customer service, answering emails, dealing with refunds, and managing logistics. You have some capital to start, ideally $200 to $1,000, to spend on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or influencer marketing. You're ready to treat it like a real business and constantly test, optimize, and scale. Final verdict. So, which one is better in 2025? Affiliate marketing or dropshipping? The honest answer is, both can be profitable, but it depends on your goals, budget, and personality. If you're a beginner with no money to invest but have time and creativity, affiliate marketing is a great place to start. It teaches you how to build traffic, build trust, and earn commission without high financial risk. If you have some money to invest and are comfortable learning ads, branding, and customer management, dropshipping could help you scale fast, though with more risk and responsibility. Both business models are still very relevant and competitive in 2025, and both require consistent effort, learning, and patience. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides on online business and making money from home. Got a preference? Comment below. Are you team affiliate marketing or team dropshipping?